Hello everyone, welcome to the newest iHelp video. In this video, we're actually going to be showing you guys how to use CapCut, one of the best mobile editing apps ever created in my opinion. I actually use this to create videos when I'm a little bored, so yeah. Tap to edit text. Okay, so let's teach you guys how to use CapCut in this short but sweet video. So first, you can mute audio clip, actually, which is very cool. So that let's say you have a video that you want to mute. Maybe it's I don't know, maybe you're recording someone like doing something cool, but there are a lot of trains or cars or planes or whatever. Like you're in a plane recording something, you can mute the clip. So that's pretty cool. Then let's say you want to adjust this, which is you can just take the sliding bars. So now it's half a second. Okay, we actually know how to do that. And don't worry guys, I have had CapCut, but since I got a new phone, I had to download it again. Now it's doing this like tutorial again, all over again. So let's zoom in, tap on this. Okay, I think I want that I only want this for pretty short, maybe 0.8 seconds. And then this is a sneak peek of the video that we're actually working on. This is actually not our iPad. This is thankfully a review piece that we have to do a review on. And let's put that to 1 second, and of course pop it, because it's very hard to get a pop it right now, and I took a screenshot to show that it's in stock. So yeah. Then you can add an audio. Let's do sounds. And I usually like to go to travel because they actually have pretty good. So let's download this. Okay, this sounds good. I'm gonna add it. Okay, I really wish you could choose to skip this tutorial. So let's actually shorten this because I use this audio a lot and I love this audio so much because it actually just sounds so great, you know. And of course you can hold to the side to quickly go to your timeline. So we're at 11 seconds. Okay, then let's drag this to here so that's perfectly lined up. Now let's play it from the beginning, of course. There. And it says CapCut at the end because they want to kind of get some credit, as they should, because CapCut is amazing. And up here you can actually change the quality. I usually have it around 1080p, and I have frame rate at 30. I just keep it at the basics because my storage is messed up right now. So yeah, you can do a voiceover and effects, which are really cool actually. So let's do this. This is all of our iHelp fans when we come out with a new series video, of course, because we're so popular. Yeah. Sir, I don't really know what happened, but so sorry, but I don't know what happened to that little clapping bit, but now all you have to do you can also still add, of course, but it has some people's faces. And now you can overlay, put stickers, which is so cool. I love putting stickers. Like let's click on this, and it has a little TikTok thing. I never realized that. Let's put it into the middle-ish, because I ain't waiting for that to pop up. I got places to be, places to go, like, no. Like, come on. Come on now. Okay. We got in the middle, so now let's play our wonderful. This is so great. So great. This might be my best work ever. So you can add some text. Let's add some text. Hello, this is an iHelp video. Yeah, and currently it's storming, so sorry if you hear some thunder. And of course you can drag it, resize it just by pinching and zooming. Yeah, and then to turn it, you just take 2 fingers and turn it to whatever side you want. So that's great. Oh, cool. Yeah, be sure to subscribe, you guys, by the way. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, you have audio captions. Let's not do that right now because that takes a lot of loading, you know, but you get the idea. You have text templates, which are really cool. Some of them look so cool. Let's not do these. I guess we'll do Valentine's Day because today's Valentine's Day. No, it's summer. I don't know why they have Valentine's Day up, but anywho, yeah. So to share it, just press this little share tray to export. Then I usually go to other. Yeah, share on messages or download it to my iPhone. So yeah, this is CapCut. CapCut is one of the best programs I know, hands down, for editing mobily or just starting out editing, because it really can help you learn the basics of editing in a really fast way. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you feel like it. If you didn't like this video, comment down below what we can do better. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.